guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be sharing with you guys, you may already know from the title of this, a Zara and Urban Outfitters sale haul. I find that it's so hard for me to go shopping and find something that's worth the price. It's either super expensive and the quality is horrible in my opinion, or beautiful and the price, I can't even afford it, to be honest. So it's really hard for me to find a middle ground, and I find that my middle ground is found in the sale rack. Every once in a while, I will splurge and go through the most recent collections. Because of the quality of the stuff, it's usually kind of hard for me to pay full price just because I worked in the industry for so long and I know I'm extremely critical when it comes to the quality, the seams, the hems, everything. Anyway, let's not blabber on about that and let's get right into it. The first thing I'm gonna show you is my Zara haul. Here is the bag. I finally got a sweater that I've been wanting for a while, and I mean, in Miami, there's not a lot of occasions where you can wear sweaters. Luckily, I'm always cold, but I figured, you know, when I do need it, I want to be able to have it already. It is this thick knit sweater, and it has like these little pom-poms on it. I fell in love with it from the moment I saw it. I just love the little details of the pom-poms and the colors. I know that the sleeves are a bit long, but I just went ahead and rolled them up because I felt it gave it a cute, casual, cozy look. So I really like this sweater. I also got these high-waisted gray denim jeans, I guess they're called. They have the exposed buttons all the way up the front, and they are very high-waisted. I really like that it has the raw hem. I don't know, it just gives it that little casual look. And since I am Hispanic and I have a big thighs, stretch is a must for me. So super comfy, and I love that I can pair it with a lot of things. Also, I found fringe. I love fringe. I don't know, with the light it's gonna be a little hard to see, but you'll see when I tried it on. I actually put it on with this same exact shirt. I wanted it to be like a casual t-shirt and spice it up with some heels. I also paired that with a jacket that I have from forever ago. Just threw that over my shoulders with some high heels and out the door. Also, I found this cute blue and white striped shirt. It also has little epaulets here where you could roll up the sleeve, and then it has this really cute detail of just like a crisscross string that you can tie here on the side. I really like how cozy it is and fresh. Like I said, I do live in Miami, so having these types of shirts, I love them because you could just wear them with denim. You can wear them just as a cover up over your bathing suit. Then my favorite, I found this cute little dress. It's a black dress with these little pink and purple print flowers. It does have little darts in the back, so it gives you a little bit more shape. And then it has a V-neck, just covered buttons. So I really like this. I felt like it was just all the right parts of 90s fashion. And again, you could wear it with sandals, you could wear it with boots, you could wear it with sneakers, with a denim jacket. You could just wear that with everything. Now we have Urban Outfitters. You'll see that I actually ended up pairing the sweater up with these kind of cigarette pants, I think they're called. They also have this fun little high-waisted drawstring here. Then it has some pleats. Also, it has some pockets, and I don't know if it's because I'm tall. I'm about 5'8", so I don't know if that's why that's most likely why they're very, very short on me. It really doesn't bother me because I could wear with flats, with sneakers, with the t-shirt, but in this case I just threw the sweater over it and I felt it was comfy enough and it gave it that kind of little more dressed up, not just, you know, jeans kind of look. I also found this very loose, what is this, bodysuit. It's a just striped, I'm colorblind when it comes to dark navy and black. So I'm thinking this is black and white, but it has a very low back. It's very loose. It does have buttons at the bottom, and I found it to be very cute and comfortable. The only thing is that since it's so loose, I felt I needed to put some sort of bralette, and I found this kind of bralette, I guess, I had in my Victoria's Secret lingerie thing. So I just plopped that underneath, and it made me feel a lot more comfortable when wearing such a low back and the side boob thing. I kind of felt I needed to keep that in check. Finally, I have this little romper. I just had to grab it. This little romper is a black, once again, is this black or navy? I'm gonna say it's black. This black romper, it has the buttons right down the front. They're like little seashell. And then what I really like is that it has this fabric in the back where you can tie the back of it, so it gives you more of a form-fitting figure. And again, I feel like it's shorter on me because I'm taller, but it doesn't bother me because I do wear a lot of flats, so I prefer things to be short on me because I'm able to wear, you know, my flats. Oh, I forgot. I had been wanting shoes, chanclas, to wear inside of the house, and I found these super cute. They're like tan color. Plan on wearing them mostly inside of the house because I just don't want to get them dirty, but they were on sale and they're so cute. My dog loves them also, which is not that exciting because he trips me all the time. That pretty much wraps it all up. I had a lot of fun making this video, trying stuff on and kind of showing you guys my style. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please leave your comments down below. Also, if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, you know the drill. Leave it down in the comment section. See you guys again next time. Bye!